Hello, and welcome to the amazing world of Zapf creation. Over the next few minutes, you will learn about Zapf creation's 70 incredible years of doll making, while receiving a detailed overview of our new baby Annabelle doll and her accessories. Zapf creation began making dolls in Rodenthal, Germany in 1932. What started as a family operation has blossomed into a leading manufacturer in the doll industry with sales that span the globe. Many of the Zapf creation dolls are still manufactured in the original building where the Zapf family sat in the 1930s, sculpting their famous dolls. Hello, and welcome to the Zapf creation demonstration video. I'm Michelle, and I'll be sharing with you what makes baby Annabelle so special and tell you about the accessories that come included with the purchase of your baby Annabelle doll. Baby Annabelle is an 18-inch interactive doll with vinyl arms, legs, and head, and a fabric body to provide the weight and feel of a real baby. This doll requires 4 AA batteries, which fit into the back of the doll. A Phillips head screwdriver is required to properly open and close the battery pack. Baby Annabelle's on-off switch is located just above the battery pack. The use of a screwdriver prohibits children from breaking or removing the battery pack. This feature should be used as a sales tool to promote child safety. Your baby Annabelle doll comes with 4 different accessories. The first accessory is the baby Annabelle romper with cap. Both are machine washable and provide that warm, snuggly feel. The next accessory is the baby Annabelle magic bottle. The bottle comes with an elongated tip, and when placed in the doll's mouth, she will begin drinking from her bottle and making real slurping noises. Please make sure your customers see the incredible movements of this doll's face while she's drinking from her bottle. As a safety precaution, baby Annabelle's bottle comes with a rounded base and will not stand upright. This will help reduce the risk of any injuries. Your third accessory is baby Annabelle's rattle. When you shake the rattle, it will help calm baby Annabelle when she is crying. Baby Annabelle's face will move when you place her final accessory, the white pacifier, in her mouth. Baby Annabelle has a series of amazing functions that are voice activated. They include laughing, crying, feeding, cooing, snoring, gurgling, and even burping. When you switch the doll on, she will begin a random series of laughing, cooing, and gurgling sounds. When you place the pacifier in the doll's mouth, her face will begin making feeding motions, accompanied by slurping sounds. Baby Annabelle will also make this motion when you place the bottle in her mouth. You'll notice the pacifier and the bottle tips have 2 different lengths. These lengths trigger different responses from your baby. For example, your baby Annabelle doll will stop crying if you place either the bottle or the pacifier in her mouth, but will only burp after the bottle has been inserted. After your doll has received her bottle and been fed, remove the bottle and listen to one of the 2 responses. Your baby Annabelle will either sleep contently, in which you'll hear her breathing heavily, or she will begin to cry. If your baby is crying, gently pat her tummy and wait for her to burp. After burping, she will begin to laugh and giggle like a happy baby. If your baby is sleeping immediately after her feeding, a simple loud noise will wake her. "Baby Annabelle!" And she'll begin to cry. Once awake, you can either sing her a lullaby or pat her on the belly. Either response will make baby Annabelle a happy baby. You should now be an expert on the functions and accessories of your baby Annabelle doll. If you need to review any portion of this tape, please rewind now. Otherwise, we at Zapf Creation wish you much success with your baby Annabelle.